Here we have some seasoning cut up: red onion, celery, and red pepper to make the vegetable fried rice. I also added some red pepper, hot pepper, and also the regular red pepper, and some shallot seasoning to make the fried rice. That's all the seasoning and the oil frying here. I added the red pepper also. Let's fry it up. And the vegetable, frozen vegetable. And turn it a couple of times. Let it cook a little. This is the white rice. It's finished cooking. It's 7 cups of white rice. Okay, the rice is inside with the vegetable, and you gotta turn it up until all the vegetable and the rice is mixed together. And give it slow heat so the rice won't burn. Turn everything up. Let it cook for a couple of minutes. You add some powder garlic, onion powder also, your salt, your paprika powder, and some of this is glutamate, I think it's monosodium or something, and some of this is Azareep. Is made of cassava, soy, and starch, and all kind of spices and stuff. Okay, now I add everything. I'm gonna mix it up. The Azareep gonna give it flavor and color also. That's to make it. If you want it to have the fried rice looking color, you put this. Or if you don't want it, if you want it a little brown, you put a lot. If you don't want it too much, you want it looking like white a little bit, you don't put too much, and then you mix it up and let it cook. And you taste it also, and that's it. That's how you make the vegetable fried rice. And I'm cooking so much because this is for a birthday. You can get this at any West Indian store. Okay, if you don't want to use this, or you can't find it, the Azareep, you can use these Goya Sazon Goya seasoning. There's different types. This one is a lighter color, as you can see in the top here. That's how you know. And this one is the same, but it's the yellow color. So this one gives it a more yellowish color and flavor also. And this one gives it a lighter color. It's gonna be a little white. So if you don't want to use this, instead you can use this. A couple of packages, like 3-4 packs of this, like, you know, until it changes, the rice changes the color. Vegetable chow mein. This is a citrus spare rib soy product. It's like this. Okay, this is the fried rice finished here in a tray, finished product. That's how you make veggie fried rice. If you like this video, click thumbs up, like, subscribe, leave a comment, question, suggestion. Thanks for watching.